Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. I will share you. So friends, let's start today's video. I will show you some beautiful and easy Christmas centerpiece ideas to make your home look festive and cozy this holiday season. A centerpiece is some things you place on your dining table, coffee table, or sideboard. It's the heart of your Christmas decoration. So let's get started with some creative and magical ideas. Classic candle centerpiece. Take a wooden tray or a round plate. Place 3 or 4 candles in the center. Use red, white, or gold color. Add pin cones, small ornaments, and green leaves around them. You can also spot some fake snow for a winter looks when you light the candles. It's creative and a warm, glowing Christmas feeling. Glass jar centerpiece. Take a big glass jar or vase, fill it with shining ornament, fairy lights, or pin branches. Friends, and viewers, tie and red ribbon around the jar and place it in the middle of your table. It looks simple but very elegant, perfect for small space. Christmas vase centerpiece. Place a small vase flat on your table. In the center of the vase, put a big lentils or a small dart and decorate the vase with berries, ribbon, and stars. This gives a very cozy and traditional Christmas look. So friends, this some easy and beautiful Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas that you can make with simple things at home. Each one will bring spark, warmth, and joy to your home this holiday season. If you like these ideas, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative Christmas crafts and home decoration ideas. Thanks for watching, and I have a Merry Christmas full of love and light. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and friends, thanks for watching my videos. So friends, Khuda Hafiz.